This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hey subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about the Security Toolkit website. It comes with a bunch of different tools that can be super useful for cybersecurity professionals, penetration testers, and even bug hunters. Inside the platform, you'll find well-organized command sets and resources that can help beginners get started with bug hunting step by step. It's basically a clean, streamlined toolbox that makes the whole process way easier. Here, you'll also find some advanced dorks that can help you pull up different types of information. There's a full collection of dorks you can use to locate various sensitive files. Just enter the website name, and everything else is already set up for you. Simply select what you need, click through one by one, and you'll quickly find sensitive data or important files, saving you a lot of time and effort.
Here you'll find a tool called 𝐂𝐤𝐳, which is something people use all the time. It also includes a bunch of advanced features that let you pull detailed information about any website. This tool is super useful because it helps you gather important data quickly and saves you a lot of time. There's also a tool called CVE Vulnerability Search, and it's super advanced. It can pull up pretty much any CVE you're looking for. This one is honestly one of my personal favorites, and if you want, you can definitely try it out too. It's a really solid tool.
And finally, the API Key Validator. This one is really cool and super useful for anyone in security or bug hunting. Whenever you get an API key, you can test it live right here.
So remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
I've got a fun CTF challenge for you all. You can find the CTF link in my video description and at the top of the comments. Once you complete the CTF, you'll get access to another link where I've hidden a bunch of cool stuff just for you. So go ahead, complete it, and see what you can win. Check out the link I've shared. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it, and subscribe. Also, drop a comment and let me know what kind of videos you want to see next.